Oh, g'day, you've caught me. I'm just making myself a coffee just before we get started on today's little project. So what we're going to do is fill up some milk bottles with water, and I've got some wood to make crosses. Can you guess what I'm going to make? G'day guys, how's it going? So today I thought we'd mix a bit of carpentry up with a game. So what I've done is I've rummaged through the recycling to get some milk bottles, and I found some sticks, and we've made our own crosses for a mega game of naughts and crosses! Noah, come and help me. Okay. What are you going to be?
I'm X's.
Your X's? Okay. And I'll be circles or milk bottles. Ready? You go first. Okay. Always the centre. I could have guessed. Right, here you go, milk bottle. Oh, how easy was that?
Simple.
So, that's a real quick, nice, easy game of naughts and crosses.